Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. As I promised you, we will start from scratch to learning Windows 10. Today we will learn install Windows 10, how to install Windows 10, how to set up it in your machine. Laptop, desktop, whatever, it's same. First of all, I want to mention you for copy for the one. Of course, if you can buy original, it will be good, but if it's not because it's expensive, if you can get copy of original or from anywhere, it's a good and trusted one. Don't take the download from any places or the one played someone add some program, someone delete some program. This is not good one because maybe it will be have a virus or it's have a some patch for crack, and this is will be worse. In this case, it's better you leave current one better than to install the bad one. This is the important point, and of course how to activate it, also the loader or key. These things sometimes they have the same virus or have hacker things, you need to care also about this. If you can avoid all the things, you can continue with me in this video and install, but don't install any software you bring it. It must be trusted one and good one, because if you have some personal some things, if you have a patch for hack, it's a point or small spaces come one hack your device from. Be careful and take care about this point. If you have good one, what you need to do, you will put the CD on your laptop, desktop, or USB drive, whatever how you make it or what you have. And if you put it in your laptop or desktop, press F12. Okay, of course we have legacy, we have UFI put. This is another thing. Now we will talk about the normal way. You will press F12 to give you choices, what choices you have. Okay, you will choose your USB. If you put it in USB, if you put it in CD, choose your CD. Power on your machine, put the CD. After that, restarted the machine, press F12, and it will be as you see in the screen. In this points, click enter. Okay, and you will see now the Windows. You need to wait. This is its load, and after that we'll see now it's language. This language, keep it as the same. Okay, if you need to change it, change it in the future, but keep it the same. Click next, install now. Setup is starting. We will wait and you will see what's the next. Sometimes based on the machine, sometimes machines fast, sometimes wait. Now you see it's more edition. If you have one edition, you will not see this screen, you will see the next screen. But I have more business edition. You see education, education in, enterprise, enterprise in, pro in. This is in its north. It's different editions because I have multiple editions. This all edition, maybe you will not see it or you not have. If you have the normal one, you will see next icon. I will choose the enterprise and we will click next. Accept the licenses. You must to mark I accept license terms, and after that we will click next. Don't choose upgrade because we'll not upgrade, we install new ones. For custom, install Windows only, advanced, click on it. As you see here, my hard drive is 127 GB. Okay, for this one, because this is small, all I hard drive. Now we will make a partitions. Okay, at least it's be 2 partitions. This is better, not make it 1. So we will click new and let's make first partition 100 GB. To make it 100 GB, get it accurate number, open calculator and multiple 100 by 1024. Okay, because 100 gigabyte equal 1024 megabyte. Okay, because gigabyte it's bigger than megabyte. To get the accurate number, and after that the result, it will be 102,400. Okay, you okay, 1,02400. Okay, sorry, I mistake. I will make it 00020. I will click apply. It's all ask you need to ensure this partition. Okay, click yes, and now we will see its partition was created. Now as you see, it's 99.4. How come I will make it 100 exactly? How come it's be less 4? How come it's 91.4? I make it 100 exact. And as you see, another partition is 27. It's a total 127. How it's come like that? And now as you see it here, it's 579 megabyte. What's this? This is system reserved. It's ticket space for reserved for troubleshooting. It's more things. It's need some spaces to make this. It's ticket from the first partition. يعني if we created another partition, as you see, it's 27 accurate. طب why first partition less? Because it's a ticket from first partition. You need to be careful. First partition, make this space on it. Make it little more. It will be to get accurate your space if you want. We will choose the partition one, what we need to install on it, and after that click next. I will make it fast motion because it will take time, and we will back after until this finished. Now we will back, and as we see here in the language, this is United States region. Keep the language as the same. We will show yours in next video, how to change region, how to add language in keyboard, how to change the display for Windows. I will make it in separate video in the future. We will keep it United States and click next. Just a moment. Keep it US, this is standard, and keep it as I told you. I will make it another. Click yes. Okay, out the same. As I told you, I will show yours everything about layout and how to add language and how to change it in another video. You will see it in the future, but we will keep it now. Don't confuse you. We will skip it. Just a moment. It show you طبعا this is in the digital ways how to make it, and this I will make it fast. Okay, now we are in the sign in with Microsoft. Of course, if you have Microsoft account, you can add it here and it will ask you for password. Of course, you need to connect with internet in this part. Or no, I am in home, and as I told you, we'll start on home, and after that we will go to the as a professional IT in the company. But now we are home, so we will click domain join instant. I make it fast to move because make okay. Here put it your the local account. I will make it admin. Okay, and after that click next or press enter. Insert your password. If you no need password, leave it empty and click next. In this case, it will be without password. But for I will put my password. Next. Confirm the password again. Next. This is security question. As I told you before in the previous video, I showed you what this question and how to what's this one hello, how to secure your login. For my here, I will say it again. I will choose my any question. Let's choose this one and make it Joe. Let's choose my pet name, and as I told you, I also have a dog. His name Ringo. Next. Third question. Choose. Of course, you need to know which question what's the answer for it. But for now, I make anything for the you. Okay, let's make it Joe also. Next. This is secure your account. You can see in my previous video it will be. This is more access about your device activity history, like syncing for everything, history, do you do it, what's your activity. For me, I like it. If you don't like it, don't choose it. But for me, I will click yes because I like to use it. And yani timeline, Windows features, as you see, it's feature to help you to continue that what you were doing, even when you switch your devices to Microsoft account, have your activities history. For me, I like it. Yeah, I like to keep like this. If you don't want it, خلاص, it's up to you. يعني, as you like to choose it. But for me, I will choose it, and I will click yes. Just a moment. This is give you because told you. Okay, now it's get you to help to digital assessment for more things and give you notification for troubleshooting. And Cortana, Cortana, it's like Siri in iPhone. This is to help you for more things. Microsoft Edge, it's blah 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 more things. It's a good, also good helpful assessment. Accepted, it's a good one. Just a moment. This is as a digital way tell you everything. Just a moment like this things. Okay. Now this is privacy settings. This is more things here. Okay, as you see, it's more option and you can choose what you want and enable or disable. Yeah, first one, online speech recognition. Use your voice as a detection. This is to about when you talk to Cortana, it's record your voice as a Siri, as a Bixby in Samsung, like this the same. Find my devices is better to find your laptop, and of course need location also to be enabled. This is if you lost your laptop, it's a good one. Inking and the typing, this is when you type and use it, detect your password for in the apps and detect the name to help you. If you replay word two more times, it detect it and give it to you. This is related to the last one, it's advertising ID. This is apps related to advertise. I better to cancel, but it's also tell you yani anyways you will get ads. Disable this location if you care about location or you go to some websites and afraid from any hacker. Disable this one. For me, prefer disable. But of course you need to go outside to find my device, need to be enabled. Diagnostic data, this diagnostic data, it's to take it from Windows to try to help you and give it back and to help you to make your Windows it's better. يعني as you see, send the basic diagnostic data along with the information about the website you browse. يعني enable disable not matter, this is not big deal. يعني I will disable no problem, but actually I leave everything, all only location closet for my interior the experience. This is based on the diagnostic data. يعني diagnostic data he taken and after that he let Microsoft after take this data, it's analyzing and advise you to better or to make the interbasic or full interiors. It's more things like this. This is also for Microsoft to protect to service you as a helpful and as your need. يعني also it's all this choices based on you and your work, your environment, what you want or like the things if you don't want it. After that accept. If you change all what you want, okay, click accept. Just a moment. Also as I say, blah blah blah, he must to file, must to wait. This is the worst thing you will face it if you go to new user every time. This is it's called welcome screen. You can't to avoid it. You must wait it. No way to avoid it. It will see it and it will blah blah blah. It will say welcome to you and it will tell you it takes several minutes. This is welcome screen. For me it's worth a thing in Windows 10. يعني in the company. When you shift from user to another or test something or like this, you must wait this, it's blah 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 blah. For me I hate it. I don't like it, but you must wait, no way to out it. So maybe it takes several minutes as he told you and sometimes long. It's based on your machine speed. If your machine it's very speed, it will not take long time. If your machine it's not big speed, it will take of course long time. يعني everything it's based on your machine for speed, for how long it will install, if you face issues also. يعني this is as a home ways, but if you want to talk about the professionals, about companies, about domain, it's of course completely different and in the future we will get this. But if anyone have any question, related to this, he can text or contact me, and I can make separate video for the companies if he need anything related. We will wait. Finally, it's login. Now you installed Windows 10 successfully, and everything is great and everything is okay. This is my record screen. I shifted down to see everything because this is my lab and my details don't like it to appear. As you see, up you have recycle bin, and down this is a standard icon, standard everything for Windows. Now you success to install Windows 10, and as we will see, for our hard drive, you see the first one 100 GB. Okay, of second partition it's 27. Of course it's less because it's thick, as I told you. Okay, as we see, I hope you like the video and know now how to install it. Don't forget to do subscribe and enable the ring and like video, and of course share it as you can to encourage me to make more and to continue record videos. I hope you like and enjoy the video. See yours in next videos and next learning. Bye bye.